What? Well, it's not a plan. What? A franchise, the choosing one, a 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you don't know a full effect thing. You know what go already? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? A Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? First and foremost, I'm gonna say, yo, big up the rising king, the one king, the trap king. One of dancehall baddest thing, as Scan Team logo. Pull through youth. You see what I deal with because you're a great artist, good artist. I don't joke about that. And condolence to the female who drop out in the car, you know what I mean? But pull through youth because here we go on. The youth there is a youth of my rate. Here walking. I'm sure right in front of our face him deserve for do entertainment. Him deserve for entertain people. First and foremost, members are right in front of our face at Sunfest. The youth make you know say him belongs in a dance hall. We see me on a gimmicks thing. So big up youth and pull through. And for the local facilities them who are run in my comment box and will tell me about CCP have him incredible and claim him have him receipt. Tell himself to go tell the police them who shoot the trap king, you know, and kill the girl, you know. Make sure him can tell the cops them who shoot the trap king, the dunce king, one king, rising king. Make you know who shoot the man and kill the girl. Just make sure you make the police them know that. You see what I deal with? And the look of shisky bag them who follow him. Make sure you tell him that. He might run on a ball and I go like say I look clout off of the boss name. Never know how he might get himself in when he might try to play with Gaza. You think a lollipop thing. Watch me, no man. Right about now, you know. I don't know if you hear it, you know. Shorty come out, you know, two time in a row consecutively. She come out back to back and make you know here I go on. Respect. And make you know say here I go on. And next big thing I drop, you know. She make you know that, you know. By the end of the month, you know. By the end of this month coming, you know, she say look out for the next big thing, you know. So right now, you know, I've been either telling you, you know, say look like them have the Pharaoh album, you know. And me I telling you, you know, Gaza Nation, if I the Pharaoh album, I go drop a explosion shit, you know. Because it's supposed to have all some artists on it and not even look for, you know. It could have some nice international artists on it, you know. I don't know, gimmicks business, you know. You see what I deal with, and I done hear say Killer go drop him album already, and I hear him and Vybz Kartel have tune on it. Allow me to hear that thing the long time. But what happened to the Popcorn and Vybz Kartel? I wonder if it on the Pharaoh album. Eh? I doubt me and say, I wonder if the Popcorn and Vybz Kartel on the Pharaoh album. Jano. Watch. What? Yeah, man, tell Gaza lies there in Gaza.
Now, Gaza, nigga, Empire Universe. What the fuck you talking about? Make at least me there. On the West Bump. Move up.
What? I said nothing more. So come back, bad man. It's a girl, man. Go on, wicked, right? I tell you, be a short up and be a thing a drop out of tight. One day for something them a put in them tight front or them look a panty there, me hear them have up with the puff. Girl them a go on wicked. You know a summertime. You know no lollipop thing. And worse them a talk about no celebration for 4th of July and no and them not have no Labor Day parade. The girl them now gonna knock you at the street then. Because them now nowhere else to go. No what? The place bombed down. Joke thing. But right now, back again to my story. May I say, it look like the Fear album I go drop soon. Because I know me say so. A Shorty I say look out. She make you know that. You see me? Say look out. You see me? The last time she talk, she did live. And I see the look out one name Pretty Dan. Dep on it, she make sure you know say yo look out by the end of next month. New bombs. You see what I deal with? So that means the boss dep on a different track right about now. So when some little people that they attack and I go like them a clown. Them type of local gimmicks thing they wanna deal with, and them thing that the general left on my brother. What? Yo! Hey! She owe me, you know. You owe me, you know. You owe me that thing the way you have underneath your foot, you know. Okay. What? 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 You owe me, you hear that? No, 10 star. You know run the street different, right? Gimmicks thing, a real thing. You don't deal with lollipop thing, you know a serious thing man deal. Watch. When the Fear album drop, I expect nothing but straight domination. So some song won't not even hear or not even eat some style. Won't need to look for and not hear them thing on the album where the man say I go get the Grammy. And that's the reason why man. The thing them match out properly. I don't know how it come up thing. You see me? A well organized execution thing. The teacher deal with. A real thing. You don't know, you know. More while them ever tell you say them save the best till last, you know. So let me tell you something, you know. The next one not gonna be a easy something, you know. I don't know, gimmicks thing, you know. Yeah. The next one not going to be a easy something. So if the teacher they are prison and I drop 3 albums in a 1 year. And the man them they are road and not even drop a mixtape. But you ask you have people are criticize and I come size up themselves. More know what them think of themselves. Right now in the Gaza Nation. I not hear some boy a review not about vybz Kartel album, you know. But yet still the boy them run and talk about Informer P. You see what I deal with? We not hear them say nothing at all about the album. But them a run and call up the man name with Sissy P. I know yo. What them they think? Them look at highlight where them they get them think them could have hold on and that and it now go and it not stamp predominant in a music. You know what I mean? Because as much as them are talk about right now that popcorn song depend on the iTunes chart of Jamaica though. You know what I mean? And the world boss drop him album and a 18 straight out of the birth of them get on the iTunes chart. Not those first, second and third, 18 straight. Them never see that yet. Out of the 17 shooter zigzag with one in the head. Eh? Them never see that yet. 18 straight. One, two, no Gaza nation can put themselves up to the world boss. No time at all. You think we are watch viewers, on YouTube, on iTunes, or Jamaica, you think of that we are watch? Go ask Johnny Wonder. Go ask Apollos. You know what I mean? They must skin out the material evidence and put it on our face. You know, they don't feel like a gimmicks business. Yo, a 10-star, you know, the general, the choosing one, the people's champion. Watch.